Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc, B.Ed, ZBC, 5th semester. We will discuss the topic National and International Efforts for Conservation of Wildlife. National and international agencies involved in wildlife conservation and management are of two types. First, national organization and second, international organization. National organization, these are several national agencies which are discussed below with details. Firstly, Society for Conservation and Protection of Environment, SCOPE, SCOPE, SCOPE. Brief introduction. SCOPE is registered under Societies Registration Act 1860 as a non-government organization. SCOPE is enlisted by Income Tax Department as an NGO under Income Tax Ordinance 2001 and donations received by its tax exempts. ISCO was formed in 1988 to protect environment and natural resources in Pakistan. BRC Bioreserves Research Centers. Bioreserves Bioresources Bioresources Research Centers is a non-profit, non-political, multidisciplinary base. Its headquarters is located in Islamabad, Pakistan. Their main focus till date has been on the bear conservation in Pakistan through uh, curbing bear weddings. Our main focus till date has been on the bear conservation in Pakistan through curbing bear weddings. Therefore, the major parts of their present strategy and projects are designed in these perspectives, and BRC has many success at its claims with regard to these projects. Geological Survey Department (ZSD). The Geological Survey Department of Pakistan's is a department under the Ministry of Climate Change, Government of Pakistan, which carries out survey and research on distributing populations and status of animal life in Pakistan. And next, National History Museums, locations, fish harbors, West Burfs, Adjacent Marine Fisheries Department, Karachi. Next, Marine Biological Research Laboratory, location Block 67, Marachi Secrets, Sahara, Iraq, Sadar, Karachi. Pause. Pakistan Animal Welfare Society. POD coordinates help for animals in need by putting pupils in touch with each other through social media. They find home for rescued animals that are up for adoptions. They advocate humane stray dog management's legislation for animal welfare laws and work towards increasing compassion towards all sentient beings. They are registered in Pakistan since 2008 as a non-profit company under Section 42 of the Companies Ordinance 1984. Their accounts are audited annually by chartered accountants, Solomon and Company, and our registered office address Samsung. Pakistan Museums of Natural History. PMNH Islamabad was established in 1976 under the patronage of Pakistan Science Foundation (PSF), Ministry of Science and Technology, Pakistan. PMNH also provides consultancy and advisory service to public and private sector organizations. PMNH divisions, Botanical Science divisions, Earth Science division, Geological Science division, and Public Service divisions. Okay, next, international organization. There are several types of international organizations such as International Snow Leopard Trust, Snow Leopard Network, Snow Leopard Conservancy, WWF, etc. ISLET, International Snow Leopard Trust. The Snow Leopard Trust aims to better understand the endangered snow leopards and to protect the cat and in partnership with the communities with that share habitats. Snow Leopards Network. The Snow Leopards Network is a worldwide organization dedicated to facilitating the exchange of information between individuals around the world for the purpose of snow leopards conservation. Snow leopards conservancy. And next, IUCN, the International Union for Conservation of Nature. IUCN is the membership union uniquely composed of both government and civil society organizations. It provides public, private, and non-government organization with the knowledge and tools that enable human progresses in economic development and nature conservation. To IAI to take places together. Created in 1948, IUCN has evolved into the world's largest and most diverse environmental network. Their experts are organized into 6 commissions dedicated to species survivals, environmental law, protected areas, social and economic policy, ecosystem management, and education and communications. Okay, thank you, students.